Hello everybody, this is me, my unboxings in front of you today, and today I have a very special unboxing. Today I'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A7. This is the 2018 model. I think there was one released last year in 2017, but this is the 2018 model. New, improved, better camera, better specs, better screen, and basically better performance in general. So I purchased this from the Carphone warehouse for I think I purchased it for around £310. And I got it delivered next day, which was pretty awesome. And also what I want to tell you guys about this phone is that it just got released a few days ago, so it's good that I'm keeping you guys up to date with all the latest technology. I'm sorry I haven't been around for long, guys. I've had literally ton of university preparation to do, so I couldn't obviously film for that long, but I do have some amazing videos coming up on the way as well, so just stay tuned for that. But anyway guys, this is the front of the box. You can see it says Samsung Galaxy A7. Nothing there very interesting there. You have the IMEI information there, and this color I got in the blue color, so you'll be seeing the unboxing in the blue color here. So what you can see here is it just basically says what the phone is. So it has a Super AMOLED display, an Infinity display, which means that it literally doesn't have a bezel. It just has literally the screen is basically covering the whole front, which is pretty awesome. It has a triple camera, which is a first for me, and the triple camera has a 24 megapixel low light camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 5 megapixel live focus camera. So it'll be very interesting for me to actually review this phone and take a few shots as well to show you guys how it is. Of course, that's not going to be in this video. That's going to be in a separate video, which I will show you guys later on. So it says 4G LTE, so it has a 4G adapter. It supports 4G. It says, you can see as well, it says octa-core processor. So it's very it has these octa-core processor, which is pretty awesome and pretty fast. And you can see the screen as well. It has full rounded corners and 6-inch full rectangle. So it's basically an Infinity display, as it says. It has I just told you that as well on the camera. And it has a 24 megapixel front camera, which is amazing. I've never seen a camera that has 24 megapixels on the front. My iPhone X doesn't even have that, which is awesome. And it says 26 gigabyte memory, which is a lot, and 4 gigabyte of RAM, which is again a lot. I think one of my notebooks have 2 gigabytes of RAM, and this one has 4 GB, which is awesome. Okay, so what I'm going to do, and it also supports Knox. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open the box now, and I'm going to show you, because I don't want to talk a lot, because a lot of people hate it when I talk a lot. So I'm just going to open the box, and I'm going to show you guys what you get. I'm just going to slide this open here. Wow. I'm sorry if the camera's shaking a bit. I'm currently on a temporary sort of foldable table. So I don't know what's wrong with this table, why it's shaking, but it just does. But I'm just see if I can just get it open like that. Okay, yeah, it's opening. Woo. Okay, let's see. Sorry if the camera is shaky. Oh wow. Okay, so there you go. This is the phone, the Samsung Galaxy A7. Just get this out of the box. It doesn't really look sort of packaged well, because usually they should have a little base, and this base looks like it's kind of collapsed. But this is the phone, the A7 with the Infinity display. I'm going to put this to the side so we can comment in a minute. And let's just see what we get further inside of the box. So we get as usual Samsung quick start guide. So we have, of course, quick start guide. We've got our warranty information. Of course, you get 1 year warranty, regional lock if that applies to you. I don't think it applies to me because I live in the UK. I don't think anything's locked here. And here we have your SIM injector tool, which I don't really need by now. And we have our micro USB cable, charging cable. I mean, it would be nice if probably they could have a USB Type-C cable so you can connect it to other displays, and obviously to enable fast charge. But this might, I don't know if it enables fast charge, maybe not. I don't know, I have to check. But yeah, so this is the actual adapter and the in-ear earphones, which is, general sort of earphones. I think from the Samsung Galaxy S3, they had this headphone, so not a big deal. Anyway, so let's just actually go look at the phone a bit more now. So this is in the blue color. You can see it says 2018 Super AMOLED, Infinity display, and 3x free camera, which is I've never seen. Wow, this reminds me of my Galaxy S6, like when I had my Galaxy 6. Let me just open it. Let me just take this back off. Very satisfying. I mean, not as satisfying as I was hoping it would be, but let's just show you how. Wow. Okay, so you can see probably. Okay, yeah. Okay, all right. So stickers here. So the phone's like that, and on the side you have a little bit of plastic as well, which I'm going to remove. I'm going to show you guys that on the phone before I actually turn it on, but here you can see your rear camera. So it's a 24 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel live focus, and an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, which is pretty awesome. Fingerprint, not fingerprint, fingerprint is probably somewhere here, which I'll talk to you about later. Here actually, maybe. But yeah, so this is the camera, the triple camera, which I've never seen before, so it's pretty awesome. The on and off button, volume up and down. The SIM ejector tool, probably not here, this is probably the microphone part. And here we get the SIM ejector tool, which obviously I'm just going to show you. I'm going to eject it now, I'm going to show you what you get. Eject it like this, put something from here like that. And let's just see what we get. Wow. Oh wow, okay. So we've got a place to put our nano SIM and our place to put our SD card, which is probably expandable up to like 128 GB, which is awesome. That's that. Okay, cool. And then at the bottom we have our 3.5mm head jack and our charging port and our speaker grill here and here. So there's 2 speaker grills. I like how they follow that. Like there's one actually, sorry, and there's 1 speaker grill. Kind of disappointing. They should have had 2 at least. A ton of space up here where they could have added another one. A ton of space here where they could have added another one. Here, sorry. So yeah, kind of disappointing how they did it. But I mean, I can't even judge anything now. I haven't seen the phone properly. I'm going to turn it on. So let's just go ahead and turn it on and see what happens. I think this is where you press it out. Okay. The screen, I mean, it looks like, you know, they could have added a notch, but if they did that, everyone would probably hate on them. So that's why they probably didn't do that. I wouldn't say this is an infinity display. You know, it still has, I don't know, like an S8 feel to it, a Galaxy S8 feel to it. I mean, is it bendy? Nah, it's fine, not bendy. The back is slightly a fingerprint magnet, but easily taken off. So starting Android. Okay, bit of a lag to it when it starts. Hi there. Hi, what do I do now? You can see probably some bars on the screen. That's not actually in the phone, but okay. Okay. Let's just actually, I'm going to put it here so we can actually see. You can do it with, this is my Wi-Fi. I'm going to connect to it now. Okay, let's see what happens now. When it connects. Connected. I'm going to go next. I have read, blah, blah. Checking for updates. Can I skip all the updates? I just want to see the phone and some of the camera specs, maybe. My unboxings. And fun. Keyboard looks really nice. Set up face recognition. Are you serious? Let me set up fingerprint first. At least 1 fingerprint. Okay. Okay, I'm going to do pin. Require pin. Oh, no, do not require. 4632. Done. 4632. Done. Okay, scan fingerprint. I knew it. I knew the fingerprint would be here. So, you know the place that I told you you put the phone on? That is where the fingerprint is. So what you do, I mean, I'm not a big fan of that, but you can, oh, I mean, I think Samsung didn't really do a good job at doing this. I know a lot of phone companies do this fingerprint on the side thing. I'm not really a big fan of that. I probably, you know, wouldn't mind them putting it at the back, or maybe putting it down here, like like some phone companies now have implemented in-screen fingerprint, so they probably could have put it in the screen, but whatever. Continue. Okay, so transparency, yeah, but like that. Okay, so next. Okay, next. More. Agree. Adding the finishing touches. Let's see how the phone performs. I don't want to do any of this now. Skip. Your phone is ready to use. Okay, let me actually use it. Okay, right. The first thing is I'm just gonna put the phone onto full brightness so you guys can see what I'm like. See the best brightness. Okay, first thing, guys, the screen looks awesome. It looks very vibrant. It looks like it is a Super AMOLED display, and I'm not gonna lie about that. I just think like this phone looks nice in a way, but it could have been better. Like as I told you, the fingerprint scanner could have been improved. probably the USB. I think every phone company, every manufacturing company should put a USB Type-C on their phone, unless it's those budget devices. And this paying for about £300, there's not really that budget price. But anyway, this phone actually comes with a 2.2 GHz octa-core processor, as I just told you. It comes with a 6-inch true Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity display, which apparently is infinity. Of course, Samsung could have probably made the display a bit more on the edges here, or probably made this even a curved display. But yeah, I like how they didn't actually put a notch, because a lot of people hate that, so including me. Sometimes actually I don't really mind it. And this is a 4GB RAM. I mean, it's very swift. I have to say, it's very, very swift. The main thing here, the main selling point of this phone is the camera. So let's just see, is the camera really good or is it okay? Okay, so switch. Okay. Okay, so the first thing, the camera's not actually that bad. Of course you can do it in slow motion. You can have AR emoji, like the one they have on iPhone. Hyperlapse, I don't know what that is. Probably very fast. Live focus that I told you, 5 megapixel live focus. So that's basically, I think, stay within. Oh, so if it has this, for example, you can determine how much you want to blur the background. So for example, if I want to focus on this, I can blur the background a lot, and I can blur the background not a lot. So it's pretty awesome. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. Beauty, whatever. Let me just actually see the front-facing camera. You guys are going to see how I look anyway, but let me just show you the front-facing camera. Take selfies easily. I mean, I've seen this on when I had a Galaxy, but I mean the selfies look pretty awesome. I'm not gonna lie. Like the selfie, if you look, you can see the detail, but it's kind of that beauty gate, that issue that a lot of people had on their iPhones. You know, when people were like, "Oh, this is the beauty gate." There's probably something here because, oh, that's okay. I think that's doing it on purpose. So you can put it. Oh my god, it's pretty cool. So you can actually put it on the amount of smoothness you want. So this. It's very shaky though. Like if I'm taking a selfie like outside, and you're like, okay, take a selfie, and that happens, that won't be very nice. But if you're taking your iPhone, that has less shaking. But yeah, I'm actually pretty impressed about this phone. Actually, I'm actually pretty impressed. Apparently you can translate things. Okay, so this is selfie. Yep, you guys are happy with that. This is AR emoji. Okay, so you guys can see you can have this sort of AI emoji. Again, I wouldn't compare it against the iPhone emoji. You can see that it doesn't really track my face that well. Yeah? So you can see that it doesn't track my face that well. That is probably not really that good of an emoji. I'll probably say the iPhone wins over that. Yeah, not really good. Nah. No. Nowhere near. Selfie focus. So what you can do a quick selfie, like I just did. Awkward. And it will focus the background. I mean, I don't really like this whole selfie stuff on this phone. It doesn't do me any good. But you can also do wide selfie. And this is something which I would like things like Apple to do. But what you can actually do is you could have a wide selfie, so you can get other people in your shot, which is pretty awesome. Let me actually just go on the biometrics and security. Face recognition. Okay, 4, 6, 3, 2. Continue. Okay, register your face. Oh my god, what the hell is happening? This phone, 4632, and I hate this that did it. Continue. Hold your phone 20 to 50 centimeters from your face. Your face has been registered. Okay, turn on. Now, I wouldn't say this phone probably has the same sort of security level as an iPhone would, but let's just see how fast the face unlock is. Right, pretty fast. Yeah, pretty fast. I'm even looking away, look, I'm looking away. And it already knows it's me. I do this. Wow. But internet-wise, let's go on the internet and see how fast it does. How does it perform? So let's type in my unboxings and fun. Let's see, very fast, okay. My unboxings and fun. What the hell is this? My unboxings and fun. Oh my god, I'm not even on there. Okay, there it is. So this is me. Okay, so does it zoom in properly? Yes. Does it have any? I think that Super AMOLED display, you can see there's literally, I'll just zoom in. There's literally no, you can see that, yeah? There's no sort of rigidness, or there's no roughness. There's no roughness on the side of the text, which is awesome. So that's probably what I would expect. So let's just see the videos. Let's just go on a video and see how it performs. Does it perform in high quality? Does it perform in okay quality? How does it perform? That's the main question. So let's just go on the videos. Let's go on a video and see what happens. Nah, I don't want to update anything right now. And touching phones and making reviews. But today I'm going to have a different type of video. Today I'm going to have a video which is going to be basically comparing, what Apple has, just released now, which I was very excited about. Wow, okay guys, so iPhone 6 and iPhone 6 Plus, these two devices are Apple's now big devices, like, kind of bezel there to it. But iPhone 6... If Samsung approached me and they were like, okay guys, so what do you think would make this phone better? Probably make the screen a bit wider, but I like the screen to body ratio. I actually like it. I don't actually have a fuss about it, especially for the price that you're paying. £300 for this phone is an amazing deal. You wouldn't be getting a phone that is much faster. 4GB RAM, 6GB RAM, whatever it is, it's amazing. You won't get a phone that has such of an amazing speed when you go on videos, and even a good sound, a decent quality sound. It might not be as loud as the iPhone X, it might not be as loud as the Google Pixel 3, but it still performs really, really well as its higher level devices. What I also want to tell you guys is that the camera on this phone is good. The triple camera is good. Again, I don't really feel the big hype about this triple camera. Yes, it has a triple camera. Yes, it has a triple camera, but how does it differ from an iPhone X, for example? I mean, my iPhone X indoor probably performs much better than this phone here. Even my iPad probably performs much better than this phone here. So that is probably an area of improvement. Probably the camera could have been improved a bit better. I would probably say maybe having a few more things, and also probably I think the good thing about this phone is probably the facial recognition, how it's like a high security level, and how it's fast. Maybe probably not again as fast as the iPhone X. If I keep comparing things to the iPhone X, again, compare the price, £1,000 compared to £300, what you're getting and what you're not getting. But yeah, again guys, is it worth? I don't know. And this sort of thing here where they kind of make your face smooth, and I'm not really a big fan of that as well. Guys, if you want to see anything else, leave comments down below and I'll see what I can do. Have a nice day guys, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing review. I'll certainly be making a review on the camera very shortly, and a review on the in the water test and scratch test. Bye!